This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the source Google account and confirming two-step verification. This secures access and prevents interruptions. Next, authorize the transfer method. Either use Google Takeout, Drive's share and move features, or a third-party migration tool, and grant it Drive permissions so files can be read and copied. Once done, choose the exact scope: full drive, individual folders, or only certain file types, because narrowing scope speeds transfer and reduces errors when you begin the copy process. You now execute the chosen method and keep an eye on progress. If manual, share folders with the destination account and use Add to My Drive, or download as zipped archives and upload them. This is simple but slower. For large transfers, use a migration tool, set OAuth credentials, map source to destination folders, and start a batch job. Make sure to monitor transfer logs, verify file and folder counts, and confirm ownership and permissions so nothing gets left behind or becomes inaccessible. You finish by confirming ownership and resharing critical folders, then update collaborators so workflows continue without interruption. If problems appear, troubleshoot common causes: free space quotas, unsupported file formats, or duplicate conflicts. Free up quota or convert files as necessary, and rerun problematic items. Finally, run integrity checks, open sample files, review revision history, and confirm file counts match, because verifying ensures the transfer succeeded and you won't
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.